Alright, well, we're gonna hopefully figure out why the right-hand turn signal indicator doesn't work. It used to work intermittently. Some days it'd work, some days it wouldn't, but now it just doesn't. And I'm hoping the left turn signal indicator would kind of do that too, but most of the days it works. So we're gonna see. I'm hoping there's some corrosion or a bad connection in there. So hopefully we can figure that out, because it would be nice to know that the turn signal is on, especially since the guts of this turn signal switch are kind of messed up as well. So it's hard to know if your right one is on or not. So let's get in here and we'll take a peek. So this was the right turn signal indicator. This was the left. And it looks like the filaments are both there. I'm gonna switch them. They've got this cheesy, it's not wired, it's this flexible like circuitry board. I don't know, they're kind of hokey. So I'm gonna switch the bulbs and see what happens here. Let's plug this back in over here. Oh man, don't make it easy, do that. Well, I don't have either one. That's funky, isn't it? Swap the bulbs back, I guess. Why would we have... Let's see here. Okay, I don't know if you can see that, but I can see that one flashing in there just as soon as I touch it in there. When it flashes right there on the right. Okay, well these must just be hokey. Let's see what this one does. Hey, look at that. We got him. So I took that one, it's got these little bulb holders. You untwist them a half a turn. I pulled the bulb out, put it back in, and now it seems like we've got a connection. So let me get this back up here. Maybe sneak our cable on for the speedometer. Oop, that was good, wasn't it? can see the left. Master technician over here. Okay, I'm gonna put this back together. Awesome. That will be handy. Where's my screwdriver? Now you watch, just my luck. We got her all put back together. It won't work. All right, we got a right turn. Oh, baby, we got a left turn. And I will be willing to bet you money. Oh, look at that. We got hazards. Yeah, so not too complicated. You got 4 screws on the bottom, 4 screws on the top. Pull it back, disconnect your speedometer, maybe get a little more room, and then you got that big connector on this side. And it's just a hokey, I don't know, it's not even a circuit board. It's like flimsy, plastic, flexible stuff. Anyway, had a bad connection in there. We got her all fixed up. Hopefully that helps somebody.